Hello guys and welcome back. So in this particular tutorial we're talking about the expand tool. Expand. Okay, the expand works just like this perspective one, and we did a bit of perspective that helps us in using the smart option in perspective that helps us to correct, that fills those spaces that are empty in our image. For example, okay, now expand also does like that. Now this one, you will expand the image yourself. Use your two hands, your hand to just this way. You can see it is actually filling because it is set on smart, remember. So but if I put it on white, maybe I just want to create like a white background around it, it's going to just help me and fill it up with white background, but white is not helping. So but the smart is going to help me here. When I put it on smart, I told you in the previous video that it's not that intelligent. At times it tampers with this. Snapseed is not that intelligent, it tampers very well with your image. So if I just move my hand here, okay, and if I no, okay, let me just leave this. So it's not that intelligent. You can see bush on the road. So but there are way you can actually correct it. That it just help you in expanding your image, and it uses intelligent to automatically fill that empty layer. So there's a way that I do correct this if I want to use something like this particular tool. I use this alien tool. I'll talk about this in another video, but just brush. Now I need to set this. Now you can, if you notice when I'm cleaning it, there's like a blue line on the blue dot on the screen. That's where it's copying from. But I'll talk about this in another video. Let's just end this one. That's how I correct it most times. Now the problem with Snapseed, I haven't been able to like pick a particular the point I want to copy from in Snapseed. That is one thing the creators of Snapseed have not actually done since they did a cool app like such as this, but they've not. Okay, just be able to set it in a particular way you want, but it's just automatically set itself. That's the tragedy about Snapseed, but it's really a cool app. Alright, so we'll see in the next video.